Today we shall see the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Any composite number can be factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Let us see. Understand by an example. As you can see here, 84 is a composite number expressed as a product of 4 prime numbers in different manners of their placement. The prime numbers are fixed, but they can change their placement in the expression of the product. This is the meaning of the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Out of the three styles, the first two are used by us according to our convenience in problem solution, while the third one is used as a frequent question in exam in the form of fill up the gap.